Looking to make your crypto work harder for you? Introducing AVA Flexible Products from Binance, a game-changing opportunity to earn a bonus tiered APR of up to 9.9%. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. With AVA Flexible Products, you can unlock incredible earning potential while enjoying complete subscription flexibility. It's the perfect way to boost your passive income in the ever-growing world of crypto. Subscribing is easy. Choose the amount of AVA tokens you want to subscribe to and watch as your rewards grow daily with competitive APR rates. The more you hold, the more you earn. Benefit from tiered APR levels, where larger AVA holdings mean higher rewards. It's that simple. Whether you're a crypto beginner or a seasoned trader, AVA Flexible Products offer you the best of both worlds, maximum flexibility and significant rewards. Start earning more today. Complete your AVA Flexible Product subscription now and enjoy up to 9.9% bonus tiered APR. Visit Binance to learn more and take your crypto investments to the next level. Your journey to smarter investing starts here. At INEHub, we're here to guide you through the ever-evolving world of crypto. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit us at INEHub.com, and we'll see you in the next video.